My name is Giancarlo Ausente, and this is my video presentation for NSTP. How has student NSTP prepared you to be good citizen, both and now, in the future? Among the topics covered from prelims to finals, which one caught your attention, interest, or stood out the most? Additionally, which topic do you believe will be most beneficial to you as an individual in the future? NSTP prepared me to be a good person, and it also taught me that I'm a big part of our country, because if I do something that will help our country, big or small, it will give our country development to our country. In my viewpoint, what got my attention is fire and first aid, because it is a big help for our students like me or my classmate, because through it we can use it to help people in case of emergency. I believe the most beneficial topic in NSTP is first aid kit and fire alert. It will help our students like me and my classmates and the whole student in Marine. It will help us to help other people in case of emergency, and it also help me to be a good person and kind. Let's go!